At this campground, East Fork Lake, there are these extremely large flies. I don't know if you can see them, but there is one right there on my window. If you step outside, these flies just zip past your ears. They make this zzz, 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 and this park is full of these large flies to the point where it was aggravating. In this park you can only get Wi-Fi if you come up near the office area. And if I had known this, although this is a beautiful park, I wouldn't have came here. But this is another problem. These big flies, they are everywhere. They zoom. I thought it was just okay, maybe they're just doing it this morning, but no, they just non-stop zzz, 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 zzz by your ear, and it is the most aggravating thing in the world. Yeah, very aggravating. Take the Dre route, pull around the van. All right, so damn bugs. Oh, shut up. This is Big Blue. I'm not gonna get your tags. This is Big Blue. Big Blue. This is a nice van. This is her camper van. Big Blue, Andrea's camper van. She camps part-time in her van. She still has a living quarters, a living space. Her mansion on wheels. Hey, this is Andrea, and this is her van, Big Blue. And this is my first tour, y'all, so I'm going to tour her van. She's got a nice van build, so I'm doing Andrea's tour of her van, Big Blue. She's got solar at the top. She's got that, oh, I'm supposed to ask you. So, where'd you get this from, this, like, rack or what?
I bought it with it on it.
Okay, so you bought...
that I purchased it from, he had that already on there.
Okay, and then your solar, you over here hooking up the solar. How did you learn to hook up some solar? YouTube, so you watch the van channels.
Right.
Okay, and the van channel.
He had solar on there, but I replaced it from, he had 75 watts and I replaced it with 200.
Oh, okay, and thank you. She gave me the watts, y'all. Okay, so let's look in. First, I like your barn doors. Do you like barn doors?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you have? You had like a shower or a...
I have a shower tent, and I have a portable shower to take showers in if I'm off grid.
Oh, okay. So let's look in your van. Cool van door. Now notice she got nice curtains. I'm jealous. I want some curtains. Who made your curtains?
Walmart.
Walmart, you bought them?
I just cut them.
Oh, okay. Well, they're cute. That's a good idea. And this little like ottoman thing, where'd you get that?
Walmart.
Dang, and you keep stuff in it like filled
Walmart,
up. Wow, she got the bungee.
Walmart.
Wow, and then your carpet. You have nice.
This gray came like that, but I got these from thrift stores. These little area rugs.
Okay, and they're very nice pattern. I want y'all to know it feels so good in here. It's hot in Ohio, and it feels so good. And the S on your pillow. Is there any reason?
It stands for my last name.
Okay, so your last name. And look at her bed, y'all. She built her bed. It is so nice. It pulls out. We can't pull it out now because we got this stuff over here. You see how she has that swivel chair? Anything else you want to show us or tell us about? Because I'm probably going to forget.
You can get in if you want.
Okay, let me get in, y'all. Let me try to be careful. Oh, I go this way. Okay, I'm getting in. It feels so good. Look at her swivel chair, y'all. I'm sitting in her swivel chair. Van is nice and clean, and she's got reflected. Y'all, that air conditioning feels so good. So what's up here? This stuff.
That's just my catch-all for my glasses, cell phone charger, computer charger, and little lights. And my bracelets and stuff, I just keep it in a pouch. Okay, so we're easy to go. And so this leopard blanket, what is that? It's pretty, but what, just... Walmart, just throws. I didn't bring a comforter because it's so hot.
Okay, and her van feels so good. So tell us about, well, you got a plant, and where'd you get your plant?
Dollar Tree.
And your yellow and white pillow.
Thrift store.
Shoot, you got it going on. And what about this container thing over here, like this blue?
I got that from Walmart. And the previous owner, he built this shelf, and I just got Dollar Tree storage compartment things to go.
And so what's back there? Where do you cook at?
Here's my stove.
Okay.
And I just cook on my stove. I just pull out my table here and just cook
so you got a table right here. This is so going on. And what is this screen that you have here? Is this a laptop, a PC, or is that a TV?
Oh, this is a 12-volt TV.
Wow.
And there's a 12-volt refrigerator back there.
This is 12-volt. What's the name of this refrigerator? Okay, what's the name of this refrigerator? Okay.
It's on this bottom. Let me look.
Oh, okay. It's called, the thing is upside down. I don't know. Which one is the 12? Is this the refrigerator right here?
Yes, the bottom water.
So what's this for? This
that's
is
a toilet.
Oh, that's the toilet. That's the potty. Okay.
Yes, potty.
And then look, she's got the water thing that just goes here. Y'all, this is my first tour, so bear with me. This is the water faucet. Is it cold water in there?
Yes.
How you keep it cold?
Well, I usually just use that to brush my teeth and wash up with.
Okay, so it doesn't really need to be cold.
Here's some bins that I use to wash dishes and
all that good stuff. Look, she's got a Keurig.
Yeah.
And then she's got.
It's not a Keurig.
Okay.
It does K-cups.
It's the same kind of concept. Okay, right. So she got that in here.
And a 12,000 watt inverter.
12,000. Wow, 12,000 watt inverter. Then there's, I guess that's your bath stuff that's back here.
Yes, just hand soap, dish washing liquid, and air freshener and hand sanitizer.
Okay, now with your curtains, where did you get that rack, that that thing to hold the curtains up?
Walmart.
I couldn't find. I went to Joann's Fabric. Now this net, that's neat. It looks like a hammock. What's in your net here?
I just put some breads and fruits and stuff like that. I got that from Amazon.
Oh, to keep it handy. And then your drawers down here. Can I sit on this ottoman or no?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the mess right here.
Okay.
But it has my Olympian wave heater that I have to install.
So
I hadn't decided where I must.
So you ready for the winter then, basically,
right.
huh?
And I have an electric heater if I'm plugged in back there.
Okay, it feels so good in here. It's about to storm. Her plants. Look up here. Do you have anything? You have cabinets or anything up here? No. What happened to the cabinets?
It didn't come because it doesn't have a little raised hoop. This is a low top.
Okay, this van is so nice. Anything else you want to tell us about your van? Are you as a nomad, or what's your deal? Are you full-time, part-time?
I'm part-time.
Okay, and what made you, I'm gonna get out. Hold on, y'all. You're probably gonna see the ground. I'll edit it as much as I can. I don't want to break my neck.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Oh, the door. Now, what made you start? What made you do the,
I've been wanting to do it for at least 5 years, but I was scared.
Okay, and what made you just go for it?
I just realized life is too short, and I just got tired of sitting around and not doing it.
And decided to go for it.
I wanted to explore nature, so I started tent camping 2 years ago.
Okay, and where did you tent camp?
In the local area. I live in Alabama.
Okay.
So I would tent camp. To feel secure, I started in RV parks. And
okay.
Then I ventured off to state parks and national parks.
Now, we were supposed to meet. You were coming to Ohio, but you drove, so you got tired. Where'd you stay at?
My first day was in Huntsville, Alabama, up in the mountains, in a state park.
Ooh.
And then my second night, I stayed in Kentucky in an RV park.
And you showed me the RV park. It was so nice.
Yes, it was beautiful.
Okay.
It was so sweet and nice.
And then she made it to Ohio to see me, and we're camping next to each other.
And you're not catfish.
I'm not catfish. I thought I was catfish, y'all. I got a whole, it's probably going to go, no, it's not going to go before this clip, but y'all will see the video. And we've just been out here talking. Yesterday, I attempted to make us a fire, but it didn't quite work out that way. But we're going to get it together tonight if it doesn't rain. And this has just been a pleasure meeting you. So fun. I hope that we can go to the RTR or travel again to an RV park or a campground or BLM Land. Wherever you want to go, we going. Thank you so much for letting me tour your van. I appreciate it. Any van channels that you watch? If you want to tell, if anyone you want to, like that lady you said, you ain't got to promote. It's up to you.
I mean, I just
you watch a lot of them.
Yeah, it really doesn't matter. Anything that's that helped me, give me tips, and you know, just anything that gives me tips on how to live this lifestyle.
You watch them.
Or I don't know if I ever go full time.
Okay.
If I do, I have to get something with a bathroom in it.
Oh, okay. I know that's right, because we was dumping stuff like this morning. Look, we had to hit it. What I forgot what I was about to ask you. So you said you don't know if you ever go full time, but you enjoy camping and.
Yes, because I love my apartment too.
Okay, so it's good to have somewhere to go. I always say van life can be fluid. Like no van blueprint is exactly alike. In the winter, I'm not in my van. If it's hot, I might, like now we're at a campground, or I might get a hotel. Van life is very fluid. Thank you very much, Andrea. Are you going to RTR or anything like that this year?
It depends on the seed.
What's going? Okay, the see, yeah, see, it depends on seed. I know that's right. If it goes in, well, it was great to meet you. We still here for another night, and thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Take care. Take the joy route.